Hi, Scott Bruder here. Today's task is we have some snowshoe bindings. Yep, snowshoes are another thing I'm getting into repairing, I guess. This also goes for ski boots and things like that. These ratchets, this one's fine, this one's broken. So I'm going to see if I can source new brackets. First thing I need to do to get all the exact measurements is I've got to take it off. And to do so, there's rivets. These are hollow rivets, I believe, with washers. And so I have to take that out. Based off of my judgment, if I use a 1/4-inch drill bit, I can drill out that rivet and it should come right off. Let's watch together and you guys can see me fail. Okay, let's... And what I'm doing is I'm supporting it behind on the other side to try and, there we go. With any luck and a little bit of mess, I should be able to pull this off. Maybe a little bit of force with a pokey thing. There we go. I've got the bracket off. I've also got the washer. The other end of the rivet. And this is a really nice big headed rivet. No damage to the underlying plastic. The next step is to find out where I can get a replacement for this ratchet strap. And I don't see any discerning marks on the inside here. So if any of you know the model of this strap, please comment. Let's see if I've got a ruler. Here we go. So it's just shy of 6 centimeters long, as it's like 58 centimeters long. Let's put it on the inch side. See if it was imperial. I'm not seeing anything. That's like 2 1/4 inches long. No. And the width is like an inch and a quarter, inch and a eighth. Let's take a look at it on the metric side. It's like 33, 34 mils. Length is like 58 mils. Well, the discovery begins. Please comment, because I've got a few to fix. And if you know anyone in London, Ontario that repairs these, let me know. And if you don't, I might just start repairing them myself. Thanks again, everybody. Have a great day.